Hello friends, I am Anant Agrawal, life coach, motivational speaker and an author. Today I am here with the summary of one book which is really amazing book. And in this book the author has discussed about the various ways to lead a happy and a successful life. And I am sure that you must be interested to know how to lead a happy and a successful life. So today I am going to discuss the summary of amazing book, The 5 a.m. Club, written by Mr. Robin Sharma. He has authored several other masterpieces like The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, right? Another one is The Leader Who Had No Title. Another one was Who Will Cry When You Will Die. So these were the masterpieces, and this new book, that The 5 a.m. Club, is really amazing. In this book, he talked about what you are supposed to do in order to live a successful life. If you want to become successful in your life, what routine you should follow. So let's start talking about those things. So in this book, the most important thing which he said, that the way you start your day will decide your lifestyle. He said, own your morning, elevate your life. Beautiful saying. Own your morning, elevate your life. Right? And he said that please install a world-class morning routine. That whatever routine you have as a morning routine, it should be a world-class morning routine. He gave various formulae, various tips how to start your day. So because of that reason, the title of the book is The 5 a.m. Club. In this book, he gave 3-step success formula. What is that? Number 1, better awareness. Number 2, second step is better choices. And next step is better results. So important thing is this, that first of all, what are your awareness? You have to do the better awareness. Awareness is for learning or for growing. We have to understand this. Whatever is our awareness, is it for learning or for growing? Whatever choices we are making, they are for the implementation or for execution. And whatever are the result, choices of results, better results, they are for the money, income or impact. So if we are having the better awareness and the better choices, definitely we are going to get the better results. Another formula he gave, that is 20-20-20. In this book, he suggested that our first hour of the day, it should be power packed. 20-20-20. He said, okay, split this 1 hour 60 minutes into 3 slots, 20 minutes each. First slot is, it has to be for your physical activity. So do the very rigorous physical activity, intense exercise for your body. And next 20 minutes for the reflection. Set your day routine. What do you want to achieve in the daytime? So make the priorities. And last 20 minutes, it should be devoted towards the growth. Means, what are you learning? Normally friends, what happens? We keep on feeding below the neck, but we don't feed above the neck. So these last 20 minutes is, you should start feeding above the neck. So you should go for the good read, right? You should start listening the podcast, right? Watching something good, which is related to your field. He also gave one 90-91 formula, that if you want to get the mastery in any field, start doing that single thing for 90 days and 90 minutes per day. You want to achieve one thing, do it for the 90 minutes per day for next 90 days. Another thing, if you want to install a new habit, it takes 66 days. 22 days for the destruction of the old habit. Next 22 days to implement that habit. And next 22 days to integrate that habit. So it takes 66 days to integrate a new habit in your routine. Initial 22 days for the destruction, next 22 days for the implementation, and next 22 days for the integration. So this book, it says that your morning time is really very precious. All the successful people, they use their morning time to the fullest. They start their day with full energy. He also talked about 4 interior empires. Number 1, mindset. Number 2, heart set. Number 3, health set. And number 4, soul set. We have to take care of all these 4 sets. These are for your IQ, for your EQ, for your physical thing, and for your spirituality. Combining all these things, if we are working on the regular basis, we can achieve whatever we want to achieve. Consistency is the DNA of success. So friends, I'll recommend this book. Please read this book. And again, the main punchline of this entire book: own your morning, elevate your life. I'm sure that the moment you will start reading this book, you will start and implementing the concepts mentioned in this book in your life, you will see that your life is becoming very happy and you are moving towards the successful life. Please comment below your reactions and your learnings and what actions you are going to take after reading this book. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe so that you are not going to miss any future videos.